Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today I'm here with a sweet puffs with an apple filling. It's also called as an apple turnover, which has a crispy flaky outer covering with sweet cinnamon apple filling. In a bowl, take some all-purpose flour, add some salt and some powdered sugar and mix all the dry ingredients really well. Into that, add some ice cold butter. Mix it really well with the flour. Now you need to add some cold water, around 6 to 7 tablespoons. Add 1 tablespoon at a time and mix it. Now take this butter and flour mixture onto your countertop and bring it together. If you still see some dry flour, add some more water and mix it. Once everything comes together like a single dough, take that onto a cling wrap and wrap it really well. Now keep it refrigerated for around 30 minutes. I took 2 apples for the filling and cut it into cubes. Now take it into a pan, add some sugar, a pinch of salt and the main ingredient, that is some cinnamon powder. Cook this on a medium flame. You need to cook it till the apple becomes soft. As you can see, some liquid. To make it thick, I added some cornflour slurry. Now our apple filling is ready. Turn off the flame, transfer it into a bowl and allow it to cool down completely. After 30 minutes, take out the dough from the refrigerator. Now it's perfect for rolling. Sprinkle some flour and roll this into a thin sheet. Seal the edges in between and roll it. You can divide the dough into 2 portions and roll out each sections into thin sheets. Now trim out the edges. Now you can cut this into any desired shapes. So here I am cutting into squares so that I can make triangle turnovers. Now place the cold apple filling in the middle. Now here I am applying some egg wash on the sides of the sheets so that it will stick together and the liquid from the apple filling will not ooze out while baking. Now if you don't want to add egg, you can use milk or water to seal it. Press the sides of the sheets with a fork, and before pressing it, dip the fork in flour so that the fork will not get stick to the sheets. Make all the turnovers in the same way. Now freeze them for around 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes take that onto a baking tray. Give an egg wash. If you don't want to add egg, as I told you earlier, you can apply some milk, which will give a beautiful brown shade and a glaze while baking. Now give some slits at the top so that the steam can escape while baking. Now bake this in a 209 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and then lower the temperature to 190 degrees Celsius and bake this for another 20 minutes. And while baking, you can see it got beautifully puffed up and you can see the beautiful crusty layers of this apple puff. And while this is baking, your entire house smells buttery cinnamon apple. Oh, it's heaven. And while it is cooling down, let's make some sugar glaze with some powdered sugar and whipping cream. So you need to make a drizzling consistency, and once it cools down, drizzle this on top of these apple turnovers. Our tasty, crispy and light apple turnovers are ready. You can store these frozen apple turnovers in a Ziploc bag or in an airtight container for up to 2 to 3 days. And when you're ready to serve it, just preheat the oven and apply some egg wash, give a slit and bake it. You can see the crispy flakes and the apple filling. It is so delicious. So do try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Do check it out.